Over the last 65 years, UNLV has undergone an amazing transformation. From humble beginnings in 1957 to a thriving urban research institution, UNLV has kept pace in one of the country's fastest growing and most enterprising cities. The Graduate College, in particular, has been vital to the growth and evolution of our university, particularly as it pertains to research. In 1965, we enrolled our first 11 master's students in education, biology, and business. And by 1977, we graduated our very first EDD, education doctoral degree student. And in 1991, we graduated our very first PhD students. In these few decades, UNLV has grown in size and in impact. And we have grown our programs from 2 or 3 in 1965 to more than 175 graduate level programs today. So while our history is short, it's one of advancement, improvement, resilience, and distinction. And you'll be joining us at one of the most exciting times in Grad Rebel history. One of the most important moments in our history happened in December of 2018 when Carnegie, an organization that ranks universities based on a system called the Carnegie Classifications, updated their list of Research 1 or R1 universities. These designated universities are those with the highest research activity in the country. And UNLV entered the ranks of Carnegie R1, the highest distinction that Carnegie bestows. The R1 ranking represents approximately 3% of American universities. And this ranking is a reflection of our graduate faculty productivity, specifically in their grant dollars and research expenditures, as well as the number of doctoral graduates that we produce each year. The path to R1 status didn't happen accidentally. It was intentional, and a lot of people worked very hard for decades to get us here. And we continue this extraordinary work today. Throughout our short but impactful history, the Graduate College has conferred more than 39,000 degrees. And today, more than 5,000 graduate and professional students are enrolled at UNLV. We remain committed to our mission to support and advance high-quality graduate education and research, to strategically develop graduate programs, to support graduate faculty, to encourage superior mentorship, and to train graduate students and scholars who contribute regionally, nationally, and internationally. Rebels really do make it happen.